Thanks for coming all the way downtown to meet with me today.
Oh, it's no problem. Please, tell me about the position you emailed me about.
Okay. Well, the job title is lead software architect, and it's for a company that is sort of like Amazon, but they only sell things that cost 99 cents or less.
I see. So this is an online business, I take it?
Yes, absolutely.
Great. How long have they been in business?
To tell you the truth, I'm not exactly sure.
Oh, okay. Well, tell me what they are looking for.
Sure. Basically, it's a Microsoft shop, and they develop in C# for the most part. They want someone with at least 5 years of experience developing web-based solutions that can handle high traffic.
Okay.
Ideally, someone familiar with the entire development life cycle.
Got it.
They want someone who has experience leading a team of developers. Someone familiar with using Scrum in an agile environment.
Oh, here we go.
Pardon me?
Oh, nothing. Please continue.
Anyway, as I was saying, they also need someone with Silverlight 4 experience, and they are hoping to find someone who has developed a few applications for Windows Phone 7.
Oh boy.
Although your CV doesn't reflect exactly what they're looking for, I think I'd like to submit you for this role.
I don't know about that.
But first I need to ask you a few technical questions.
Technical questions?
Yes. The company gave me a list of questions to ask potential candidates.
Oh, this ought to be interesting.
Okay, first question. What are all the events, in order of occurrence, of the page objects lifecycle in ASP.NET?
That question won't tell you much about my skill as a developer. The events are pre-init, init complete, preload, load complete, pre-render complete, and render.
You missed the last one. Unload.
I don't make it a habit to memorize the .NET API.
Second question. What is the difference between an abstract class and an interface?
An interface is a totally abstract set of members that can be thought of as defining a contract for conduct. The implementation of an interface is left completely to the developer. Abstract classes may also provide members that have already been implemented. Therefore, you can ensure a certain amount of identical functionality with an abstract class, but cannot with an interface.
Great.
These questions are really stupid and don't have much bearing in the real world.
How many levels of inheritance are possible in C#?
1.
What are generics?
Generics make it possible to design classes and methods that differ the specification of one or more types until the class or method is declared and instantiated by client code.
What port does FTP use?
21.
What is the difference between private and protected?
Protected members are accessible from derived classes, and private are only available in the immediate class.
Define polymorphism. The C# keyword int maps to which .NET type? Are you familiar with the singleton pattern? What jQuery method will let you modify the value of a hidden element?
You are a total dick.
What is the value of the cursor style in CSS to indicate a hyperlink?
I think I should leave. You're obviously retarded.
If a train leaves Chicago at 10 in the morning and arrives in Miami at 4 in the afternoon, what speed will it be traveling at when it passes through Memphis? What is the wing speed velocity of an African swallow? What will?
You really are a douchebag. You know that?
Well, I think we should submit you for this position.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
I should have left right when you said the words Scrum and Agile. It never fails. What always follows is a bunch of bullshit.
But...
Shut up. You are a fucking moron, and you should go back to selling used cars. I should have known better than to come down here. You don't know a thing about my skills or what I am capable of. You continually ask the same old useless questions that only a recent college graduate who has been studying textbooks all day would be able to answer, because he is hoping to pass some stupid certification exam which will only prove that he has so much time on his hands that he can't have been busy working in the real world. Real developers solve business problems, and they do it as fast and economically as possible. If you are going to hire people based on these useless interviews, you are going to end up with one fucked up and handicapped development team. What does this position pay anyway?
$35 an hour.
And what rate would you bill me at?
Oh, somewhere around 95.
Please, pass me that pen. I want to stick it into your eye. Hopefully I can reach your tiny brain with it. You really are a cocksucker.